decided to go with a different watering system from last year. Last year it was, what kind of pipe is that?
Hard black plastic. I'm not sure what it's called.
Yeah, and you had little nipples that you put in every so often. And if you're going to change your garden at all, you have to get new, and it was kind of a pain. So we decided to go with, and Sam came up with this idea, that every one of them has their own shut off, every row. And then we can turn the water on to whichever vegetables that we want it turned on to for the day, or for, you know, for an amount of time. And Sam is going to show you how to get that done.
Hi there. So take my hose here, since my wonderful bride has already measured out these rows. I can lay this hose out to the flag and then measure it back here to the last piece, mark it, come back here and cut it. Then take my clamps, take one, put the hose on here, one, move my box, get my T out of here, push my T in this hose. Oh, darn it. Easier just to do it this way, since I messed that up. On here. Well, maybe that'll be easier. There we go. Take one of these little short pieces, put on here. To go to this piece, put my two clamps on, both going the same, both having the heads going the same way. Put this on, my adapter for my shut-off valve, and then put my clamps on. And start the process over again. You have to attach your soaker hose or whatever kind of hose you want to put on there, but it's ready to go. Then we go to the next one. Hose on. Down.
You gotta tell us about those pieces.
Put these two pieces together. This piece is so that I can connect to the water hose on the next run.
And it's called a what?
It is called a male hose mender. That's a specific name off the tag of it. And it screws into my shutoff valve. And I'll just toss that down there for when I'm ready for it. And then I move my box, pull my hose along with me, move my tools. And I come down here, grab my T out of my box. Put my hose clamp on. Put my T in this way. And put my clamp on. Run that down good and tight. And put my little short piece of hose on. And take my two clamps and put them on the same way so that the heads are up so they're easy to get to. And take my adapter, poke it in there, spin it around so it's the right way. Run the clamps down. And that's all set, ready for the soaker hose, ready to go to the next piece. And do the same thing again.
All the way down to the end.
All the way to the end.
So let's do a review. This is the end product. And then these are the things that we used. We have clamps. They're stainless steel clamps, 3/4 to 1/4 inch. And this is what we put everything together with, as you can tell. And then we have this. It's called a male hose mender, 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch. And after you take this off, this is what it looks like. And you can clamp this to a hose. That's what it's actually for. But we didn't need it for our hose. And then you're going to connect that and add your shutoff valve. Here are the T's. And they are 3/4 inch T's. And we will be adding, or we have added, these particular soaker hose. And this is just a regular hose. And all of this we just bought at the local hardware store. Got a regular garden hose and attached all those things. So if you have any questions or comments or better ideas, please let us know. We would love to hear from you. Anything you'd like to see or hear us do, anything, just let us know. We'll try to get that done. Until next time, have a great day.